We've all experimented with different calibers on our shooting journeys, but the 308 caliber seems to attract the attention of both novice and experienced shooters alike. Have you had a chance to try this caliber? If not, which 308 rifle should you pick that combines both reliability and ease of use for beginners? We've compiled a list of the top 6 308 rifles for you. Stick with us through this video as we walk you through each option, ensuring you find the best fit for an enjoyable shooting experience. Number 6. Ruger American Rifle. The Ruger American Rifle tops our list, especially for those just starting out in shooting. Here's why. First, it features a cold hammer forged barrel that is known for its precision, making it easier for you to hit your targets with consistency. The adjustable trigger is another standout, allowing you to customize the pull weight to suit your preferences and giving you more control and confidence with each shot. This rifle also comes with a synthetic stock that is both lightweight and durable, ensuring you can comfortably handle it during extended shooting sessions. The detachable rotary magazine is straightforward to load and reliable, while the 3-lug bolt offers a smooth operation with a 70-toler bolt lift, preventing your fingers from getting caught between the bolt handle and scope. The design of the Ruger American Rifle is also tailored for ease of use. It includes textured grooves on the pistol grip and forend, providing a non-slip grip in all conditions, whether it's damp, dry, or dusty. The rifle stays firmly in your hands, giving you greater control. For those who enjoy precision, the drilled and tapped receiver allows you to easily mount a scope. The rifle also comes with scope bases, so you can set up your optics right out of the box. The Ruger American Rifle is an excellent starting point for those new to shooting, offering a combination of reliability, versatility, and affordability. Number 5. Savage Axis. If you're just beginning with rifles, the Savage Axis is a solid choice for those looking for a high-performing, budget-friendly option. The rifle features free-floated barrels, which don't touch the stock, eliminating any potential interference that could affect your accuracy. The AccuTrigger provides a clean, crisp pull that enhances your shooting experience, ensuring you can enjoy shooting more. Designed for durability, the synthetic stock can handle rough use, so it's perfect for extended outdoor use. The bolt action mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, making it ideal for beginners. Additionally, it comes with a 4-round detachable magazine, ensuring reliable feeding. The ergonomic grip and foreign contours give the Savage Axis an aesthetically appealing look and provide better control. Recoil pad vents help absorb shock, reducing shoulder impact for a more comfortable shooting session. The textured grips ensure you maintain control even in challenging conditions. Equipped with a carbon steel barrel featuring precision button rifling, the Savage Axis ensures improved bullet stability and consistent accuracy. The rifle is pre-configured for scope mounts with drilled and tapped receivers, so you won't need additional modifications. For the price, the Savage Axis offers excellent value. Number 4. Remington 700. The Remington 700 is widely regarded as one of the most popular bolt-action rifles ever made. Known for its accuracy and reliability over the years, the 308 chambering is among the most commonly used cartridges with this rifle. Its cold hammer forged barrels contribute significantly to its exceptional accuracy, resulting in consistent shots. Paired with a 3-ring steel receiver, it is a powerful choice for any shooter. The adjustable trigger allows you to fine-tune it to suit your preferences, whether you prefer a lighter or heavier pull. Available in various models and stock options, The Remington 700 allows you to choose between synthetic or wooden stocks, ensuring comfort during extended shooting sessions. Additionally, the rifle offers a range of calibers and configurations, so you can find the perfect setup for your hunting needs. One of the standout features of the Remington 700 is its customization potential. It's one of the most versatile rifles, offering numerous aftermarket parts such as triggers, barrels, and stocks. Whether you want to enhance its performance or appearance, the Remington 700 offers endless possibilities for modification. Number 3. AR-10. Looking for a rifle that can handle bigger game? The AR-10 offers the power and range you need, delivering the punch of a .308 caliber. While it shares a similar feel with the AR-15, it's built larger and more powerful, making it perfect for long-range shooting and hunting larger game. If you're seeking something more powerful than the AR-15, the AR-10 is an excellent choice. One of the standout features of the AR-10 is its modularity. You can easily swap out parts like stocks, barrels, and more, allowing you to customize the rifle to your needs. Whether for hunting, home defense, or tactical use, the AR-10 is a highly adaptable rifle, making it one of the most versatile on the market. Built for durability, the AR-10 has a heavier construction that can handle the increased pressure and recoil of the .308 round. The rifle is designed to remain reliable over time, and its combination of strength and performance makes it a top choice for serious shooters and hunters. Number 2. Defense Procurement Manufacturing Services Oracle. The DPMS Oracle in .308 caliber is one of the most powerful and versatile rifles available for various shooting needs. The .308 Winchester is known for its excellent stopping power, making it ideal for hunting large game at longer distances. The Oracle stays true to the classic AR-10 style and includes a free-floating handguard, which contributes to more consistent shots. With its 16-inch barrel, it offers a perfect balance of accuracy and maneuverability, delivering great performance at the range while being easy to handle. The DPMS Oracle is equipped with optic-ready mounting, so you can easily attach the optics that best suit your shooting preferences. It also includes a military standard A3 upper receiver, compatible with various parts and accessories. The rifle's paratrooper stock provides a stable and balanced platform, enhancing your overall shooting experience. Additional features include a dust cover to protect internal components from dirt, a low-profile gas block that reduces bulk and improves handling, and a flat-top Picatinny rail for mounting your preferred sights and optics. For its price, the DPMS Oracle offers excellent value, providing a versatile, all-in-one firearm that's perfect for a variety of applications. Number 1. Springfield M1A. The Springfield M1A is a modern version of the classic M14 rifle, beloved by many shooters and collectors for its precision and reliability. Chambered in .308 Winchester, it's perfect for long-range shooting and hunting larger game. The firearm maintains the classic M14 design, offering either a traditional wood stock or a more modern, durable synthetic stock. If you prefer a historic feel, the wooden version is the way to go, while the synthetic model is ideal for those seeking durability. The Springfield M1A is known for its smooth, reliable shooting, thanks to its gas-operated rotating bolt mechanism, ensuring consistent semi-automatic firing without misfires or jams. Equipped with a 22-inch National Match-grade barrel, it provides excellent accuracy for precise shots at longer distances. If the bright flash from your rifle's muzzle affects your shooting or compromises your concealment at night, the birdcage flash suppressor reduces the flash, making the rifle less noticeable in low light conditions and helping you maintain your night vision. Staying true to its roots, the Springfield M1A features a Parkerized finish on all steel parts, including the barrel and receiver, offering corrosion resistance and increasing the rifle's longevity while keeping its classic aesthetic. The non-reflective oil finish on the stock not only enhances its appearance, but also protects the wood from damage and wear. The two-stage military trigger ensures reliable ignition in even the toughest conditions, delivering consistent and precise performance. A convenient feature of the M1A is its fold-out butt plate, which doubles as a storage compartment for accessories, allowing you to keep important items handy while out in the field. These top 308 rifles on our list are perfect for anyone just starting out in shooting. Whether you go for the Remington 700 or DPMS Oracle, each rifle offers unique features that will enhance your shooting experience. That wraps up today's review. We'll be back soon with more exciting content on firearms. Don't forget to share your thoughts on these 308 rifles in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.